I'm Courtney.
I'm Andrea. Today we are tasting different Valentine's Day candy and rating it 1 through 5.
I'm super excited to try the candy today.
I'm definitely concerned about the candy corn. I think they should just stick with Halloween.
They even have words on them. Like,
That was the lowest, right?
Yeah.
It was horrible. It tastes like chalk.
I mean, I gave it a 3 because it's a classic Valentine's candy, but they're also disgusting. Just thinking that right now.
All of them?
If you want, if they're good enough.
Do we have to?
Again, leave the jelly beans to Easter. I liked it.
The board.
It was doable, but
I mean, it was better than the jelly beans.
Yeah.
It's not good chocolate.
love the flavor. It's the right flavor for the hot hearts. I just would like them to be the little tiny crunchy ones. This is too hot.
Just truffles.
Mmm.
She doesn't know which ones are which.
Oh.
I'm turning it down. That's
Sure, for what property?
It
Mm-hmm.
was definitely very tasty. Definitely good, and I love Dove. I would say it was perfection. A bunch of pretzels before it came down, so we still it.
It tastes like chalk, but I think it's good.
I love them. I love sour candy, so delicious.
I like Hershey Kisses. All of them.
Not a fan of the white chocolate Hershey Kisses. Never have them for some reason.
Oh yeah. See the board. Ooh.
Water. I love peanut butter. It's good. I like it.
Out of everything that's here, I would eat this before I would eat any of that. It's so bad.
Bad. Artificial. I eat every one of them. Is that yours? Yeah.
All right, Kellie.
Yours is just it's a miss. Let's just say if someone gave me this for my Valentine's Day,
Don't buy
you'd be on the
it.
outs. Very good chocolate. I didn't realize Dove was actually doing the hard, so that's very nice.
Can't go wrong with peanut butter and chocolate.
I'm gonna go with the sweet tart. I just love sour candy.